Hello and welcome. I'm Dr. Mehta, and today we're going to explore a fascinating drink that's not just delicious, but also a powerhouse of health benefits. It's a simple mixture of coconut milk, turmeric, and black pepper. Each of these ingredients has a rich history and a host of health benefits. Let's start with turmeric, a golden spice that's been used in traditional medicine for centuries. Turmeric is celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties thanks to its active compound, curcumin. Curcumin is so powerful that it matches the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs. But that's not all. Curcumin is also linked to improved brain function, lowering the risk of brain diseases. It boosts levels of the brain hormone BDNF, which increases the growth of new neurons. Moving on to coconut milk. This is a wonderful source of medium-chain triglycerides or MCTs. These are fats that are metabolically different from others. They're immediately used for energy or turned into ketones, which are beneficial for the brain. Coconut milk is also high in lauric acid, known for its antimicrobial properties. It can fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi, boosting your immune system. Now, let's talk about black pepper. It's not just a common spice. It contains piperine, which enhances the absorption of curcumin by up to 2000%. Piperine also aids in digestion and has its own anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. So, adding just a bit to our drink can significantly boost its health benefits. Let's put it all together. For this recipe, we'll need 1 cup of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and a pinch of black pepper. Gently heat these together while stirring. The heat increases the solubility of curcumin and makes the drink more palatable. While our drink simmers, let's delve into how these ingredients work together. The combination creates a synergistic effect. The piperine in black pepper makes the curcumin in turmeric more bioavailable. This means your body absorbs and uses it more effectively. And don't forget the role of coconut milk. Its creamy texture and healthy fats not only make the drink enjoyable, but also aid in the absorption of curcumin. Plus, it provides a metabolic boost. Here we have it, a delightful, health-packed drink. Enjoying this regularly can support your overall health, from your brain to your heart, and even your immune system. Remember, this drink is a supplement to a healthy lifestyle. It's not a replacement for a balanced diet or medical treatment. If you have specific health conditions or are on medication, please consult with your healthcare provider before adding this to your routine. Thank you for joining me today.